Question number 3, in that two questions are given. First one, express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer means we want to convert this centimeter into meter and kilometer. So for that also we should know the conversion of these units, right? So how to convert centimeter into meter, how to convert centimeter into kilometer, how to convert meter into kilometer. Clear? So this is called the relation between units, and remember this relation I already given over here. It is same like previous question, rupees and paisa. The relation is centimeter divided by 100 is equal to meter. See, I am telling about unit. Centimeter divided by 100 is equal to meter. Centimeter divided by 1 lakh is equal to kilometer. Why 1 lakh you think? Why 1 lakh is here? Okay, that is your task. That is your task to find. You find by yourself. Clear? Centimeter divided by 1 lakh is equal to kilometer, and meter divided by 1000, that is equal to kilometer. Okay, so these three relations you remember, then you can solve question number 3. Okay, first one, 5 centimeter I want to convert into meter and kilometer. So see, centimeter into meter, which one come? Which one will come? First one, centimeter and meter. So apply this formula. 5 centimeter divided by 100. Okay, now how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Okay, then where decimal point will come? See, 5, and in denominator 2 zeros are there. So starting from the right we will move to left direction, 1 and 2, then after decimal. Okay, so before 2 digit 0 will come, before 2 digit. Okay, here digit were not there, so we can put 0. Clear? It will not change our value, right? So the answer is 0.05 meter. Next is we want to convert this centimeter into kilometer. What is the relation? Centimeter into kilometer. So centimeter divided by 1 lakh is equal to kilometer. Okay, 5 centimeter upon 1 lakh. Now how many zeros are there in denominator? 5 zeros. So before 5 digit decimal point will come. So 5 is here before 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Before this 5 digit we will put decimal. So answer is 0.00005 kilometer. Clear? Now question number 2 of question number 3. Express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So here we have to learn one more relation, millimeter into centimeter. Okay, here we learned centimeter into meter, centimeter into kilometer, meter into kilometer. Now millimeter into centimeter. So the relation is millimeter divided by 10 is equal to centimeter. Millimeter divided by 10 is equal to centimeter. So 35 into centimeter. 35 divided by 10 is equal to what? 1 0. So before 1 digit point will come, so it will be 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now 35 millimeter into meter. Okay, we want to convert this 35 millimeter into meter, but can I say 35 millimeter is what? 3.5 centimeter? Yes, 35 millimeter is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So in place of converting millimeter into meter, if I convert this centimeter into meter, I'll get the same answer. Clear? Again I repeat. See what I am telling. 35 millimeter is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So if I want to convert this millimeter into meter, It is same as to convert this centimeter into meter. Why we have to do like this? Because we have the relation between centimeter and meter. We are not having the relation between millimeter and meter. Okay, we can find the relation, but જેટલા રિલેશન ફાઇન્ડ કરશો એટલા રિલેશન યાદ રાખવા પડશે. That's why better to use this 3.5 centimeter, convert this into meter. We have the relation to convert centimeter into meter. Clear? So apply it. 3.5 centimeter, divide it by 100, so you will get the meter. Clear? So 3.5 divided by 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So point is here, point will shift 2 digits left side. So point is here, 2 digits left means what? See, I am writing over here 3.5, 1 and 2. Then after here point will come. So here nothing is given, so we will put 0. So what is the answer? 0.035. Point shifted 2 digits left side, and here 0 we can write. So answer is 0.035 meter. Now millimeter into kilometer also we want. Clear? So we right now we are not having the relation between millimeter and kilometer, but see, we have the relation between centimeter and kilometer, meter and kilometer, both. So you can apply any. You can use this also, or you can use this also. Clear? Let I use this relation because it has less number of zero. જેટલું મોટો યુઝ કરશો એટલા મિસ્ટેકના ચાન્સીસ વધારે રહેશે. ક્લિયર? સો whatever meter we have, divide it by 1000. So 0.035 meter divided by 1000 is equal to 0.00035 kilometer. Why? Because 3 zeros are there, so point will move 3 steps left side. So 1, 2 and 3. So you will get 0.00035 kilometer. Clear? Now question 3 over. Now we'll go to the next question, question number 4.